Most of us during our childhood have enjoyed jackfruit. We here in Bades happily call it ponos, rosal ponos and kapo ponos. But if you go down south to Salsette, this does not sell. They have ponos and they have borkoi. Borkoi. So you have the kapo ponos being called borkoi and the rosal ponos only being called ponos. So you can get confused if you go down south. Same problem we have with the godpoi. You go to Salsette and they call it as poderato gold. So there are lots of things. And if you have listened to the Dulpod, Undra Muja Mama, in Salsette it is Indra Muja Mama. Because Undir is Indur. So that brings us, how do we get this word jackfruit? Anyone knows? Those who speak Portuguese or have heard it in Portuguese will remember jaca. Jaca and jacad. What we would make the meat, sweet meat from jackfruit. So jaca comes from the mishearing of the Malayalam word chaka. In Malayalam, they call jackfruit the podos as chaka and the borkoi as varka. So the Portuguese misheard chaka as jaka, and from jaka we get jackfruit. That's the origin of the word. The jackfruit is not Portuguese. The jackfruit is very much Indian, West Coast, popular in Kerala. They will eat it instead of rice sometimes. Just cooked jackfruit. Raw, half ripe, fully ripe. Jackfruit seeds are cooked and eaten. And now they have discovered that the jackfruit seeds are gluten free. And you have lots of people who are gluten intolerant. So you want to eat biscuits, you want to eat bread, you want to eat cake, you can eat all this made out of jackfruit seed flour. You just powder it and then you can use it instead of the atta or the maida, the wheat meal that we use. Jackfruit seeds have got another application. They can be roasted and made into an alternative for coffee, especially good for children because it's high in calories. It's called Jaffe. Jackfruit coffee is being made of all the places in the heartland of coffee, Chikmagalur. So you have Jaffe that's available in the market, not so common in Goa, which is a very good alternative to coffee, especially those who get addicted to coffee. You have an alternative. You can also make chocolate, and that's interesting. We have chocolate out of jackfruit seed which is malted. Rasal Ponos useless. Nobody wants to have. Though I could even now sit with one medium-sized Rasal Ponos and eat it all by myself. Because Rasal Ponos does not raise your sugar level and diabetics can eat jackfruit though they cannot eat mango. Rasal Ponos also is very good. Just put it into your milk sieve or your tea sieve and stir it up with a spoon and let the nectar come out. Put it into milk and make a milkshake. It's terrific. Rasal Ponos does not taste good with Kapo Ponos. Jackfruit shake and jackfruit smoothie are two very popular items down in Kerala right now. Our students of agriculture have made it in Goa. It tastes very good. We had it also in the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the annual general body meeting. That's what we served 3 years back, and it was very well accepted. So you can make a smoothie or you can make a milkshake with jackfruit. And that's interesting. You don't have to eat jackfruit how it is. Out of the season, many people want to eat jackfruit because when they come down to Goa from different countries that their jackfruit is out of season. You get two types. One is vacuum fried and the other one is vacuum dried. Both types of jackfruit are being packaged here in India and they are available in Mapsa also at Anand Sweet Mart. Next to the taxi stand you can get them. And it tastes almost like fresh jackfruit because it's fried in vacuum, doesn't have much oil to it, and it's good for health because there is no oil problem today. So there are lots of things that can be done. One of the most common things and which has caught on in Goa is the jackfruit chips. First started in Canada. Jackfruit chips were not made in India. The jackfruit chips were first made in Canada by exporting raw jackfruit and mature jackfruit to Canada and they would make it there. Now it's being made also in India, including in Goa. We have many self-help groups in Bicholi which make that. So it's important for us to explore what we can do. A lot of jackfruit products from Ogle are available here in Goa, and we had also the Wakao brand of Sairaj Lond here in Goa. Plenty of things you can make. Just like chicken teriyaki, you can have jackfruit teriyaki. If you want pulled pork, you have a vegan alternative in pulled jackfruit. Tastes just as good as pulled pork. So a lot of things can be done, and in America, the mature jackfruit bulbs, not ripe, mature, are known as vegan chicken. You can use it as an alternative to chicken. Tastes quite similar if you make your butter chicken or chicken shakuti. And these are alternatives that you can explore. We have seen 2 Thursdays back, sorpotel made out of cashew apple. So being innovative is very important. There are lots of things that can be done. The charcon, the outer skin of the jackfruit, you can scrape the inside, boil it and make very good jelly. Very few people do it, but it tastes very good. Jackfruit jelly can be done from what would be waste. And of course, jackfruit can be fed to cattle. They just enjoy it. Eating a jackfruit is good for health. You may become like me, a little bit fat, and your buttons may burst. And that's the expression we use in Konkani. Bora bota zala mare pornos koso. So jackfruit is there in our culture, in our speech, colloquially, in the sayings that we have. And it's something that we should enjoy, and only if we are going to enjoy it and benefit from it will grow. Right now, you have red color jackfruit, whether it's the Deng Surya coming from Thailand or you have the Sindhu coming from Karnataka. Red color gore, the carpels are red. You get golden, you get yellow, you get ivory color. You get grafted jackfruit also of the Vietnam early, which comes in February. You don't have to wait till April to eat jackfruit. And right now we have in India jackfruit that gives you mature fruit almost all through the year except the month of October so far. So it's something that we have to look at and grow and see what we can do. You can do an entire meal with jackfruit.
सांजूक आमी चड करून नवो जावई आसा गांवांत तेका घेवन बायन उडी मारता आनी सगळे लोक गांवचे वाड्याचे जे येता तांकां आमी पणस आनी आदी एक बाटली फेणयेची दिताले आनी थोडे पयशे आमी म्हटलें की पणस जो आसा न्हू तो आमी ह्या सेलिब्रेशनान घेवपाचो ह्या फेस्टिवलान घेवपाचो आनी तशी सुरवात जाली पणसाचे फेस्त तेजेच वांगडा हांगासर सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रूप जे आसा ते पणसाची चिप्स करता थोडे लोक साठां करता थोडे लोक फिलॉस करता जाल्यार हे सगळे पणसाचे जे गिन्सा भाशेचे पदार्थ आसा ते आम्ही त्या फेस्तान भितर घेतले आणि गांवचे लोक सुपांनी भरून पणसाचे घरे हाडून लोकांक वांटूंक लागले फुकट. पणसाच्या पानांची आम्ही पत्रावली करता तर तेंच्यांनी तेची तोपी सुद्दां केली, म्हणजे पणसाच्या फळाची एक तोपी करपाक. असे पणसाचे जे फेस्त आसा न्हू तितून वाडत गेले.
खंय तरी म्हळां हांवें आयकलां की पणस हो कल्पवृक्ष कसो, माडाक कसो आमी कल्पवृक्ष म्हणटात, सगळे हेवटेन बेनिफीट, ताजे हे कशें सांगता तूं सिग्निफिकन्स?
पणस म्हणटकूच आमी झाड जे आसा तेजे कांड आमी चिरून फोय करता, दारां जनेलां आनी आलमारी अशें सगळें करता येता. तेजी पानां जी आसा ती बोकड्याची सारकी लायकी खाण, पूण बोकड्यांक तशेंच गोरवांक तेजी पानां घालूं येतालीं. पानां तो विकारी ना, विशारी ना म्हणटूच आमी तेजे खोले आसा ते दोणे करपाक वापरूंक लागले, ड्रोन करपाक वापरूंक लागले, पत्रावली करपाक लागले. आनी आतां इडली सुद्दां तेलंगाना बी आसा, इडली सुद्दां 2 पणसाच्या खोल्यांनी करता आनी ती सारकी प्रिमियम म्हणून इडली विकता. तशें रसा पणसाची भिंगटाय एकठांय करून दवरताले, माती लावन थोडी सुकोवन दवरताले. पावसान तेजी सांबाळ करपाक, शाकोती करपाक ना खतखत्यात घालपाक. कसली भाजी करता तूं, तांबडी भाजी करता, धवी भाजी करता, कितें करता, तितून थोडे पणसाची भिंगटां घातली जाल्यार बरें लागता. पणसाचे घरे आदी कापे अशे किरकोळ कोण विकिनासलो, आख्खो पणसूच विकतालो. 10-12 रुपयांनी पणस मेळटालो. आतां 5 ते 10 रुपयांनी एक घरो मेळटा काप्या पणसाचो, बोरकायचो. म्हणून तेजी दर वाडलेली आसा. लोकांक तेजी खबर लागल्या कशें कितें आसा तें. आनी पणसाचे घरे जून आसा, पिकूंक ना, ते मिठान आमी जशे चटणीचे तोर करता तशें मिठान धरून तेका वेगन चिकन म्हणून अमेरिकेक आनी युरोपाक विकतात.